Hey guys, welcome back to Sin City. Today we're celebrating Pride Month with some screwed up rainbow shots. Let's get to it. Rainbow shots are always my go-to for celebrating Pride Month, but this time I'm gonna switch it up a little bit. I've tweaked this recipe so that it pairs perfectly with Skrewball. So to get started, we're gonna do about an ounce of grenadine. We're gonna add in our ice. And now here's the major difference. I'm gonna use pineapple juice because it pairs so well with the peanut butter Skrewball. We're gonna do about 2 ounces of this. And in preparation to fail a couple times, I bought a brand new bottle of sweet and sour mix. We're gonna add in about 2 ounces of this, 2 ounces of Skrewball. And before we pour, let's line up the shot glasses. So I've never done more than like 5 or 6 of these, but I figured I'll just line up 10 of them and see how far we can go. So now we have to quickly and carefully add in the blue carousel and then we're ready to roll. I'm gonna try and make it so it just hits this side of the glass and pours perfectly. I can't believe I got that on the first try. I cannot believe I just nailed this without making a huge mess and on the first try. That is absolutely amazing. But it just goes to show just how easy it is to make these at home. Anybody can do it. You don't need to be an expert bartender. I didn't even shake anything. You guys can see I didn't pull any tricks. I used a clear mixing glass. It's really just that easy. All you have to do is pour the ingredients. The hardest part is gonna be that blue carousel. You gotta pour the blue carousel quickly and then you gotta pour right away. Otherwise, it's gonna ruin the colors. Another great tip to remember when you're making rainbow shots in the future at home, the more glasses you use, the more colors you're gonna see and the less cloudy they're gonna be. If I had poured these all into say 4 shot glasses, it would have looked like a cloudy, muddy mess. But when you pour each color into a different glass, it looks beautiful just like the rainbow. All that's left to do now is to rip 10 shots, I guess. As much as I'd love to rip 10 shots right now, I think YouTube and my heart would be mad at me, so that's where the video ends today, guys. Happy Pride Month, thanks for following along. Make sure to try your own screwed up rainbow shots, and I wanna see you guys fail if you're gonna do it. Alright, so that's how Sin City and Skrewball celebrate Pride Month with some screwed up rainbow shots. Make sure to try them at home. I promise with a little bit of patience, you guys will be making shots this beautiful at home. Happy Pride Month, guys. Sin City out.